welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, if you've watched it already, I still have this 1930s look on, and I was on Amazon looking at cold cream because I really wanted to try it because it's authentic to the time. And so I ended up getting some Pond's cold cream, and I just wanted to test this out with you. So I'm first going to remove this lipstick with this tissue here, because I don't want lipstick smeared all over my face. So there we are, that's about the best I'm going to get. So I'm going to go in with this and see how good it is. So this, as Neil said, because his nan used to use it, smells the same, but the colour of the packaging is not. But it's how it is. So this is extremely thick, and I am going to start doing what they do. An upward motion, and let's see how good it is at removing makeup. Yeah, that's better. I'm not sure I'm going to do the eyes on this. Oh, I'm not certain. I can do the brows. Oh, this feels extremely thick, but really smooth. It's not got no grittiness or anything. I used to have a Pond's moisturising cream when I was in my late teens. So I've just got some of these pads here, and I'm just going to tissue that off. Let's see how well this works. Just getting makeup off. Not entirely sure I put enough on. So I seen a 1940s one that said this is how you do it. She's shown you, and this is how it's done. And she did say, I'm actually going to link a couple of those videos from the 40s on my 40s collaboration, and possibly down here too. They are amusing. I'm just going to pop some more on my forehead. Wow, this is really thick. And I need a wipe just to get the excess on off from my hands. And then I'm going to turn this pad over. I thought, why not do an authentic cleanse to the times I'm doing? And cold cream was going for quite some time. It was quite popular for quite a while. Now this feels really greasy. I'm not keen on the way this feels on the skin at all. It's extremely greasy, but compared to that isn't bad. But don't like the greasy feel of this. It's horrible. I am going to do my eyes. This is possibly the worst idea ever, but they must have done this because So it never shows the eyes on that video unless I've totally missed it. Yeah. I'm going to go in with my micellar water in a minute. Oh, not authentic, obviously, but I don't like this grease. It's horrible. I don't like greasy residue all over my skin. Whereas the coconut oil I go in with and the little pots of Clinique cleansing balm are not greasy. But, oh, this is horrid. This is really horrible. I don't like it at all. Oh. This is revolting. Oh, no. Don't like this at all. Feels like someone's put grease fat on my face. Oh, Lord. Oh, no way. However, that looks pretty good. But, can you see that? How greasy is that? Oof. No, this is not going to be a regular thing. But it was good to get it, to try it out. And I am going to go in quickly with this because I want to see how good that was. So the thumbnail for this video is now going to be after because I forgot to take it before I started filming. So that was bright. Oh, I swear this. How time has evolved. Because I do have some cleansing cream. Actually, just the one from Lidl, and that's not greasy at all. And I'll do that in a similar way. Or sometimes just use it with water. I have a feeling this might fare better used with water. And back in the day, it was just plain old soap and water, and then you cleanse with it. So no, they didn't do the eye makeup because there was cleansing after washing their face. So I kind of skipped that bit. Let's see. Yeah, that already feels better. And actually, I mean, this is because it's wet, but wow, I'm actually quite impressed with that. I really am quite impressed. Now, I was not expecting that at all. I really was not. I'm just gonna get a quick wipe around. I would normally go in with my reusable ones, but not today. Now, I'm going to turn this pad over on this. Afterwards, in the 30s, they used an astringent. Now, I am not doing that to my skin. My skin is sensitive and it will not like it. So, I'm just going in with this niacinamide tonic, which is a toner from Revolution. That feels lovely. I love that toilet, but it's nearly gone, that bottle. completely out of hyaluronic acid serum just after I put the last empties on. Okay, yeah. I mean, look at that. That is impressive compared to this. And now that. Actually, that is really impressive. I was not expecting that at all. See why they used it, if that was the results you got, because that was brilliant. Anyway, guys, I'm possibly going to go in with some soap, not soap and water, facial wash and water, and just maybe get more of the residue of this off, because no, I'm not a fan. I'm a fan of how well it works, but I'm just not a fan of the product itself. I think I used to use cold cream from Boots, and I don't think theirs was like that. But yeah, I'm not a fan. I will use it. I should probably work out my own way of using it. But yeah, it was great to try. So yeah, not a fan. Not a fan at all. I mean, my face looks clean. You can tell the results are really good. But no, it's not for me. So I'm going to let you go. Please do all the good stuff. It really does help me out on YouTube and helps me be recognised. And also helps me be recommended by YouTube to other YouTubers or just basically other viewers on YouTube. So it all helps. You don't realise how much, but it really does. So I'm going to see you again for another video next time. I'm not sure if the next one is 100 years of makeup or it's something else. I can't actually think because I don't know where I'm putting this video in. So I will see you again next time. Goodbye everyone.